Welcome to the AcquiSIGN road sign assessment and management process. The first step in the AcquiSIGN process is the collection of sign attributes in the field. One option is to use the iPad application created by AcquiSIGN to record all sign attributes including GPS location and optional photo. The data is immediately sent and saved to the AcquiSIGN servers using 3G or 4G cellular connection. Notice the two flashing arrows indicating that data can be sent and received between the iPad and the AcquiSIGN servers. Another option is to use a handheld GPS, which is programmed to receive sign data, including GPS location and optional photo. The GPS unit can also receive and display retroreflectivity readings from the Road Vista 922 using a Bluetooth connection. When data from several road signs has been collected, the GPS can download the data files and images to the laptop. Those files are then sent to AcquiSIGN, where technicians will import that data into the AcquiSIGN servers. Another option is for road sign data that has previously been collected and is already stored in some electronic format or database. AcquiSIGN can usually translate and import those files and images into the AcquiSIGN servers, saving customers time and data collection costs. The next step is to adopt and implement an assessment and management plan. This can include retroreflectivity assessment using a visual inspection method or measured retroreflectivity. The management portion of that plan may include expected sign life, blanket replacement, or use of control signs. Other future methods can be used as long as they are based on an engineering study, and in some cases a combination of these methods may be appropriate. The third step in the AcquiSIGN process is a periodic and ongoing assessment and management of the entire road sign database. With AcquiSIGN, using the iPad or any laptop computer with internet access, a user can update inventory, generate reports, or periodically inspect and replace signs. With the iPad in the field, a user can edit sign data, add a new sign, delete a sign, or reposition a sign. The main iPad screen generates a filtered list of road signs selected by the user and a map that displays those signs with colored pins. Green pins indicate one sign panel on the support structure, and purple pins are support structures with multiple sign panels. Selecting one of the signs on the map, a pop-up box is displayed which shows the sign number and sign type. By pressing the blue circle in the pop-up, the user is directed to the edit page for that sign. In the edit page, 30 sign attributes can be edited, including a thumbnail photo of that sign. The 12 check boxes are used to identify and note current panel and support conditions. Note that a history record for that sign is created every time a change is saved. When adding a new sign in the field, the orange circle, called the bullseye, can be dragged to the correct location and a sign type selected. This means that a user can locate that sign from within their vehicle, so data collection can be done in any weather conditions. Once the sign location and type are chosen, the sign is added to the database. The user would then go to the sign edit page on the iPad to complete editing of the other sign attributes. Some of the main features using the laptop version of the AcquiSIGN include editing sign attributes, the ability to add, delete, or reposition a sign, generate reports including a history report of each sign, and the ability to batch edit certain sign attributes and group or stack sign panels that are on the same support structure. The main screen displays a list of signs that can be sorted and searched. Note the blue arrow and circle around the sign number 2. Selecting the sign number, the user is directed to the sign edit page. A Google map, shown with the red arrow, can be generated and displayed, showing all the signs in the filtered list. The search text box, shown with the green arrow, allows the user much finer control in selecting and displaying the sign list. The sign edit page is where the user will edit all sign attributes. Note the blue box indicating that a sign panel is stacked or shares a support structure with other sign panels. In this example, Sign number 7, whose attributes are displayed, shares the support structure with sign number 8. Pressing the number 8 will immediately direct the user to the Sign Edit page for that sign panel. The tabs at the top are used to close the window, delete a sign, and reposition a sign. The Continue tab, highlighted by the red circle, is pressed to begin saving all changes made within the Sign Edit page. Pressing that tab, the user enters a sign history screen where they can set activity date and other information about the changes made, including a signature of the person making those changes. The user can then save the history record by pressing the green Save History button or select the red Do Not Save History button. In either case, all changes in the Sign Edit page will be saved. When the user selects the option to display a full map, a Google map is generated showing colored pins. The red, yellow, and green indicate retroreflectivity assessment, where A is the good and C is poor. The blue pins indicate locations of stacked sign panels or 2 or more panels that share the same support structure. Selecting a pin generates a pop-up showing the sign type and sign number. The sign number is also a link to the Sign Edit page. Reports can be generated in PDF or Excel format that includes any or all of the sign panel and support structure attributes. The user also has the option to generate a history report for any sign or group of signs. So how do you define AcquiSIGN? Inventory acquisition, efficient collection of relevant data. Customized reporting, effortless export of critical data. Accessibility, from the field, in your car, or in the office. And finally, data integration, customized solutions available to meet your needs. Sharon Lipsch, Highway Superintendent, Walsh County, North Dakota, states, "The AcquiSIGN program has been a great help to Walsh County in managing our road sign inventory, as well as providing our crews with convenient and cost-effective iPad solution in the field." AcquiSIGN, web-based sign management program, provides the ultimate in access, functionality, and oversight. Check out the AcquiSIGN license. What does it include? Remote data access, a single database accessible from anywhere with cellular or internet connection. All software upgrades. iPad upgrades are available in the App Store, and the web-based laptop version always provides the latest edition of AcquiSIGN software. And daily data backup. Your data is always safe and secure with AcquiSIGN. What to do next? Contact one of our representatives today.